Most people like to start their day with a cup of coffee. Coffee drinking has already become an important part of modern daily life. Coffee is a great beverage that can improve mood. It also is an instant energy booster. However, there are many who believe that frequently drinking beverages like coffee is bad for health and can become addictive. But did you know there are some surprising benefits to drinking coffee? Here are a few which will amaze you. 1. Drinking coffee can reduce risk of heart diseases. Yes, coffee drinkers have less risk of heart diseases. Studies reveal that people who consume 3 to 5 cups of coffee in a day are less likely to show the beginning signs of heart disease. 2. Protection against Parkinson's. A recent research carried out in Sweden revealed that drinking coffee reduces the risk of Parkinson's even when genetic factors come into play. Yet another study noted that caffeine combined with EHT, which is a compound found in coffee beans, provided protective benefits to rats that were genetically predisposed to developing Parkinson's. 3. Coffee drinkers have stronger DNA. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition revealed that coffee drinkers have DNA with stronger integrity, as the white blood cells of coffee drinkers had far fewer instances of spontaneous DNA strand breakage. 4. Coffee can help release pain. Studies show that 2 cups of coffee can cut post-workout muscle pain by up to 48%. It also helps to reduce pain due to period cramps to a great extent. 5. Coffee is a rich source of fiber. A cup of brewed coffee represents a contribution of up to 1.8 grams of fiber of the recommended intake of 20 to 38 grams. So there you have it. 5 reasons to enjoy and sip on your daily dose of coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe this channel if you are interested for more videos on natural remedies and tips.